ONGOAL's relentless innovation leads to the new generation of high-efficiency slurry mixing system. The system includes powder feeding module, liquid feeding module, and high-efficiency slurry mixing module. The slurry mixing module can be further divided into three parts: powder mixing, dispersion, and liquid dual circulation. The dispersion module adopts a pioneering multi-layer stacking design, which is simple and reliable with enlarged dispersion area. It is possible to achieve models from 100 to 3,000 liters per hour or even larger, solving the problem of capacity bottleneck. The entire system process includes 5 stages. Powder feeding stage, the powder is fed in bulk bags and is conveyed into the metering bin by negative pressure. This design is not restrained by the height of the building, and the layout can be more reasonably arranged. Other feeding methods can also be used according to the process. The material is dosed by lossing weight. Then by positive pressure. It is conveyed to the mixing bin above the dispersion area with a set proportion. After mixing, the material in the mixing bin reaches a uniform state. Liquid feeding state. Different liquid formulations are fed into the circulation tank A after measuring. And once the equipment is activated, the liquid is conveyed to the slurry mixing module, creating a circulation cycle that involves the circulating tank A, the pump, and the slurry mixing module. Consequently, a vacuum is formed at the powder channel. Powder-liquid mixing. Once the vacuum environment is stabilized in the powder channel, the powder mixture, which has been prepared according to set formula, is transported into the slurry mixing module through the rotary valve and powder valve. The powder is broken down into a dispersed state and then enters the high-speed flowing liquid. The dispersion chamber is equipped with a specific dispersion plate consisting of more than 8 layers of shear rings, which ensures that the slurry is fully immersed and dispersed. The filling rate of the slurry in the dispersion zone is increased to 100%, significantly reducing the risk of foaming. It greatly improves the slurry mixing efficiency and shortens the circulation time. The mixing and dispersion functions of this system are designed with separate channels. After the powder and liquid are pre-mixed, they are diluted in the circulating tank before entering the high-speed dispersion zone. It can effectively solve problems such as overloading and clogging that may arise on traditional systems that disperse powder that liquid directly after pre-mixing. As the powder is gradually added, It forms a suspension with higher viscosity. After the powder feeding is completed, the slurry continues to be uniformly dispersed within the system. The process of powder and liquid mixing is then completed. Cyclic dispersion stage. The slurry repeats dual circulation until the required quality parameters are achieved. Discharging and cleaning stage. The dispersed slurry is then pumped into the subsequent transfer tank and then enters downstream process. After the equipment stops running, the system can undertake CIP cleaning. After the completion of the 5 stages, the system can proceed to the next batch production.